Studio Suites on the Norwegian Bliss. We're going to do a quick tour of room 11513 and show you one of these studio suites you can get if you want to cruise solo, or if you got some buddies and you don't want to stay in a room with them. This is it. Not a whole lot to it. Looks like about a full-size bed here. A couple closets that slide open. Here's one, and they'll slide back and do the soft close. And the other one's right here. Same thing, soft closes. Your TV, little footstool there. Complimentary champagne if you are a Norwegian Latitudes member. So if you're going to go on a Norwegian cruise, make sure you join their Latitudes reward program, and every time you get on a cruise you're going to have a free bottle of bubbly there waiting for you when you get on. So as you see, not a whole lot of room. You have a virtual window, since you're not going to have a real window obviously, so you can see what's going on outside the ship. And then here you have your shower, your sink area. There's some more storage down there. Lots of little cubby holes here. And then there's the shower. Try to give you a good view. Not too small. Not very luxurious either. So, and we'll show you the bathroom here. Simple little room here. Looks like plenty of room though. And then you got some cool features over here. You got your USB ports, and you have this reading light. That's pretty cool. And then everything's kind of backlit, which is nice. You can turn that off. Got a light here. Turn that off. Turn this on. So it's cozy. That's what I would say. That would be my real estate term for it. Cozy. Alright, so I hope you've enjoyed this short little tour. There's not a whole lot to show, but it'll give you an idea of what you're looking at if you want to book one of these studio suites. They're a pretty good bargain for the money, and they're very private. And you have your own personal lounge here inside the studio suites too, that has TVs, couches, and they put out some food in the morning, donuts, pastries and stuff. And there's a wine machine. You can buy wine for purchase, and there's some other soda, juices and stuff in there, fruits. Nothing fancy though. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this short little tour, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. I put out all kinds of different videos and all kinds of crazy stuff, so it's not just cruises. Alright, take care, and if you go on a cruise, have a good time.